Imagine stepping onto a small balcony, a cozy patio, or even looking out at a simple windowsill that's overflowing with healthy, thriving plants. It might seem like the owner spends hours watering, pruning, and caring for every container, but the secret is often much simpler. The most beautiful low-maintenance gardens begin with choosing the right plants. By growing hardy perennials that naturally thrive with minimal attention, you can enjoy lush foliage, colorful blooms, and year-after-year beauty without turning gardening into a full-time job. In today's video, we'll introduce 8 dependable perennial plants that flourish in containers, even if you occasionally forget to water or skip a little maintenance. And be sure to stay until the end, because we'll share one easy container gardening trick that makes caring for your potted plants even simpler. Let's begin with our first effortless grower. 1. Hardy geranium, the easy care perennial that practically grows itself. If you're looking for a perennial that fills containers with lush greenery and colorful flowers while asking for almost nothing in return, hardy geranium, also known as cranesbill, is one of the best choices you can make. The longer it grows, the more impressive it becomes. Unlike many flowering perennials that insist on perfect growing conditions, hardy geranium adapts easily to a wide range of environments. Whether your containers sit in full sunshine or receive partial shade, this dependable plant continues producing healthy foliage and generous blooms with very little effort. That flexibility makes container gardening much less complicated. As the plant matures, it naturally forms soft, rounded mounds that gradually fill the pot with attractive, finely divided foliage. The delicate leaves add texture and fullness without looking heavy or overcrowded, keeping containers neat and elegant even before flowering begins. Once the blooms appear, hardy geranium becomes even more rewarding. Delicate flowers in shades of lavender, blue, pink, and purple rise gently above the foliage, creating a long-lasting display that continues for weeks instead of disappearing after a short bloom period. One of its greatest strengths is its incredibly low-maintenance nature. While many flowering plants need constant deadheading to stay attractive, cranesbill usually keeps blooming beautifully with very little attention. Even if you occasionally neglect it, the plant continues looking tidy and healthy. Watering is refreshingly simple as well. Hardy geranium tolerates short, dry spells surprisingly well and grows happily in ordinary potting mix without frequent fertilizing or complicated care routines. As each season passes, the plant gradually expands into a larger, fuller clump covered with even more flowers. Rather than becoming more demanding with age, it simply becomes more beautiful while continuing to ask for very little in return. For gardeners who want dependable blooms, attractive foliage, and effortless care, hardy geranium is one of the finest perennial container plants available. 2. Hellebore, the elegant perennial that welcomes spring early. Few perennials brighten the garden as early as hellebores. While many plants are still dormant at the end of winter, these remarkable perennials often begin flowering, bringing welcome color and life to containers when the garden needs it most. That exceptionally early bloom time makes them especially valuable. Instead of staring at empty pots while waiting for spring, you'll be greeted by graceful blossoms that instantly bring structure, elegance, and seasonal interest to patios, balconies, and shaded corners. Hellebores offer a quieter kind of beauty than many flowering plants. Rather than producing bold, vibrant colors, they bloom in sophisticated shades of creamy white, soft pink, pale green, dusty rose, burgundy, and deep plum. Many flowers gently nod downward, creating the relaxed charm of a woodland garden. Their beauty doesn't disappear once flowering ends. Dense evergreen foliage remains attractive for much of the year, keeping containers full and lush long after the blooms have faded. The glossy leaves provide lasting texture and structure that help every arrangement look complete. Hellebores are particularly well-suited to shaded locations. Unlike many flowering perennials that demand full sunshine, they thrive in partial shade and even deeper shade, making them ideal for porches, north-facing balconies, woodland gardens, and sheltered patios. Their care requirements couldn't be much simpler. Plant them in well-drained soil, water moderately, and they'll rarely trouble you with serious pests or diseases. Aside from occasionally removing older leaves, very little maintenance is required. In return, hellebores offer something few container plants can match, a feeling of permanence. Rather than competing for attention, they quietly bring balance, maturity, and understated elegance to every planting arrangement. Dependable, graceful, and wonderfully easy to grow, hellebores are an outstanding choice for anyone building a low-maintenance container garden. 3. Dianthus, compact, colorful, and wonderfully fragrant. If you enjoy cheerful flowers combined with a classic garden fragrance, Dianthus is a perennial that delivers both in abundance. Its naturally neat appearance makes it look carefully maintained, even though it requires very little work from the gardener. At first, dianthus forms tidy cushions of slender blue-green foliage that stay compact throughout the growing season. This naturally orderly habit makes it an excellent choice for containers because it never becomes unruly or overwhelms neighboring plants. Without any trimming or shaping, it adds balance, texture, and structure while keeping mixed arrangements looking polished. Once flowering begins, dianthus quickly becomes one of the stars of the display. Graceful stems rise above the foliage, carrying beautifully fringed blossoms whose delicate petals resemble fine lace. Depending on the variety, you'll enjoy flowers in soft pink, pure white, vibrant red, deep rose, and beautiful two-tone combinations that brighten any outdoor space. Its fragrance is another delightful bonus. Rather than being overpowering, the flowers release a gentle, spicy scent, often compared to cloves. Whether planted near a doorway, on a balcony, or beside a favorite seating area, that subtle aroma adds another layer of enjoyment every time you walk past. Dianthus is also incredibly easy to care for. It thrives in full sunshine, and the more light it receives, the more generously it blooms. Rich soil isn't necessary. In fact, overly fertile soil often encourages leafy growth instead of flowers. A well-drained potting mix is usually all it needs to flourish. Watering is equally uncomplicated. Dianthus actually prefers the soil to dry slightly between waterings, making it an ideal perennial for busy gardeners who occasionally forget to water their containers. Its compact growth means it stays neat without spreading aggressively or disrupting carefully planned arrangements. Although removing faded flowers may encourage another flush of blooms later in the season, the plant continues performing beautifully even when left largely alone. Year after year, dianthus returns with the same dependable combination of healthy foliage, colorful flowers, delicate fragrance, and effortless charm. For gardeners seeking beauty without constant maintenance, it's one of the easiest and most rewarding perennials to grow in containers. 4. Lavender, the fragrant perennial that thrives on simplicity. Imagine stepping onto your patio early in the morning and being greeted by the calming fragrance of fresh lavender. That unforgettable scent is only one of the many reasons this classic perennial remains a favorite for container gardens. More than just a flowering plant, lavender creates a peaceful atmosphere while asking for remarkably little in return. In fact, it often performs best when gardeners resist the urge to overcare for it. Native to the dry, sun-drenched landscapes of the Mediterranean, lavender has evolved to flourish in conditions that many other plants would find challenging. Long hours of sunshine, rocky soil, and limited rainfall are exactly what it prefers. To keep it happy in containers, place it somewhere that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Excellent drainage is equally important. A light, sandy, or gritty potting mix allows excess moisture to escape quickly, protecting the roots from rot. Heavy soils that stay wet for long periods should always be avoided. Terracotta pots are especially well suited for lavender because their porous sides allow moisture to evaporate naturally, creating the dry conditions the plant loves. Once established, lavender becomes remarkably drought tolerant. If you occasionally forget to water it, the plant rarely complains. In fact, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings often produces an even stronger fragrance as the essential oils become more concentrated within the leaves and flowers. Lavender also benefits the garden in unexpected ways. Its aromatic foliage naturally helps discourage pests like mosquitoes and moths, while attracting bees, butterflies, and other valuable pollinators that support a healthy, thriving garden. As the years pass, lavender becomes even more beautiful. A sturdy, woody base gradually develops beneath its soft, silver-green foliage, while elegant purple flower spikes sway gently in the breeze, giving containers the timeless charm of a Mediterranean landscape. Perhaps its greatest advantage is how little maintenance it requires. It rarely needs fertilizer, dislikes excessive watering, and is generally resistant to most pests and diseases. Ironically, the biggest mistake gardeners make is giving lavender too much attention. Provide plenty of sunshine, excellent drainage, and occasional watering, and it will reward you with stronger fragrance, healthier growth, and increasingly spectacular blooms year after year. 5. Sedum, the nearly indestructible container perennial. When it comes to truly carefree container gardening, few plants can compete with sedum. This incredibly resilient perennial has earned its reputation as one of the easiest plants to grow because it continues looking healthy and attractive even after long periods of neglect. Its secret lies in its thick, fleshy leaves. These succulent leaves store water, allowing sedum to survive extended dry spells with remarkable ease. While many other container plants wilt under scorching summer temperatures, sedum remains fresh, compact, and full of life. Containers are actually one of the best environments for growing it. The fast-draining conditions found in pots closely match the plant's natural habitat. Rather than needing frequent watering, sedum performs best when the soil is allowed to dry completely before being watered again. In fact, too much moisture is far more dangerous than too little. Another reason gardeners love sedum is its incredible versatility. Its modest root system allows it to thrive in decorative containers, shallow bowls, hanging baskets, window boxes, and even creative recycled planters. That makes it a perfect choice for balconies, patios, and compact outdoor spaces where every inch counts. The wide variety of available forms only adds to its appeal. Upright varieties produce tidy clumps topped with clusters of charming, star-shaped flowers that brighten the garden during the blooming season. Trailing types gracefully spill over container edges, softening hard lines and creating a beautiful cascading effect. Despite its impressive appearance, sedum remains wonderfully undemanding. Rich soil isn't necessary, and frequent fertilizing often produces weak, floppy growth instead of the compact, sturdy plants gardeners prefer. Lean, well-drained soil encourages healthier development while preserving its naturally attractive form. Sedum also thrives under conditions that challenge many other perennials. It tolerates blazing sunshine, prolonged drought, strong winds, and intense summer heat with remarkable confidence. Even in exposed locations where many container plants struggle, sedum continues growing with almost no effort. As mixed container arrangements mature, it quietly fills empty spaces, adds texture, and helps connect surrounding plants into one balanced display. Beautiful, durable, and almost maintenance-free, sedum perfectly demonstrates that stunning container gardens don't have to require constant care. 6. Hosta, the perfect perennial for shady containers. Not every balcony, patio, or garden enjoys full sunshine, but that's exactly where hostas truly shine. Rather than simply surviving in the shade, these elegant perennials flourish in lower light, transforming quiet corners into lush displays of rich, luxurious foliage. Their large, layered leaves instantly make containers appear fuller, greener, and more mature, giving outdoor spaces the charm of a well-established garden. The foliage itself is hosta's greatest attraction. Broad, beautifully textured leaves come in an extraordinary range of colors, from deep emerald green to cool blue-gray, with a soft, almost velvety appearance. Many varieties also feature striking variegation, combining green with creamy white, golden yellow, or pale ivory edges that brighten shaded spaces throughout the growing season. Because the foliage is so dramatic, even a single hosta can completely fill a container and create an impressive focal point without needing companion plants. As the years pass, the plant naturally develops into a dense, rounded mound that looks carefully designed, despite requiring almost no shaping or maintenance. This dependable growth habit is one reason hostas are so popular in container design. They provide structure, fullness, and stability, while helping neighboring plants look even more balanced. Even planted alone, they create an elegant display that never feels empty. Another major advantage is their naturally tidy appearance. Unlike many foliage plants, hostas rarely require regular pruning or constant maintenance. Although they appreciate evenly moist soil, they're surprisingly forgiving if watering is occasionally delayed. During hot weather, the leaves may droop temporarily, but a thorough watering usually restores their fresh appearance very quickly. Hostas also adapt well to containers of different sizes, provided there's enough room for their slow, steady expansion. Each growing season, they return larger, denser, and even more impressive than before, allowing your container displays to become increasingly beautiful over time. Even before flowering begins, the magnificent foliage provides months of visual interest. When summer arrives, graceful flower stalks rise above the leaves, carrying elegant lavender or white blossoms that add height and softness without distracting from the lush mound below. Perhaps hosta's greatest gift is the atmosphere it creates. Its calming foliage softens bold flowers, balances busy planting combinations, and fills shaded spaces with timeless elegance and tranquility. It may not be the flashiest perennial in the garden, but it's often the plant that quietly brings every container arrangement together. 7. Daylilies. Effortless color that returns bigger every year. Few perennials represent low-maintenance gardening better than daylilies. Gardeners often choose them because they're incredibly easy to grow, but they continue loving them for years because of their dependable beauty, remarkable resilience, and endless display of colorful blooms. One of the most fascinating things about daylilies is the way they flower. Each individual bloom lasts for only a single day, but the plant produces such an abundance of buds that fresh flowers continue opening every morning for weeks. As yesterday's blossoms quietly fade away, new ones take their place, creating a garden that always feels fresh and full of life. Growing daylilies in containers makes this daily transformation even more enjoyable. Because the flowers are right beside your patio, balcony, or favorite seating area, you can appreciate every new bloom without needing a large garden. Even a single healthy plant can become the highlight of an outdoor space. Their beauty begins long before flowering. Long, arching leaves grow into graceful, fountain-shaped clumps that soften the edges of containers while adding movement, texture, and rich greenery throughout the growing season. Then the flower stems begin to rise. Brilliant blooms appear in an incredible range of colors, including sunny yellow, glowing orange, deep red, soft pink, creamy peach, and delicate pastel shades. Despite their vibrant colors, daylilies always look natural and never overwhelm surrounding plants. Their toughness is another reason they've remained a favorite for generations. They tolerate dry weather, average soil, mist fertilizer applications, and the occasional forgotten watering with remarkable ease. Instead of demanding constant attention, they quietly continue growing stronger year after year. As the plant matures, each clump gradually becomes larger and produces increasing numbers of flower stalks. Without any extra effort from the gardener, containers become fuller, more colorful, and more spectacular with every passing season. Daylilies never need to compete for attention. Their graceful foliage, dependable flowering, and exceptional durability naturally make them one of the finest low-maintenance perennials for container gardening. 8. Thyme, a fragrant herb that brings beauty and everyday usefulness. Thyme is one of those remarkable plants that quietly becomes one of the most valuable additions to any container garden. It offers far more than attractive foliage, combining wonderful fragrance, practical culinary uses, delicate flowers, and effortless care in one incredibly reliable perennial. At first glance, thyme may seem modest compared to larger flowering plants. Its tiny leaves and small blossoms rarely demand attention, yet once established, its quiet beauty becomes one of its greatest strengths. As the plant grows, it gradually spreads into a dense mat of aromatic foliage that gently spills over the edges of containers, softening hard lines and giving every planter a relaxed, natural appearance. This graceful habit creates gardens that feel inviting and effortless, rather than overly formal or carefully arranged. Thyme is also wonderfully easy to grow. It loves full sunshine, thrives in light, fast-draining soil, and actually performs best when conditions remain slightly dry. Overwatering is one of the few things that can damage the plant, making good drainage the key to long-term success. That's why containers are such an ideal home for thyme. A well-draining potting mix combined with a breathable terracotta pot creates exactly the conditions this Mediterranean herb naturally prefers. Beyond its ornamental value, thyme becomes useful almost every day. Simply brushing your hand across the foliage releases a warm, earthy fragrance that instantly perfumes the surrounding air. Whenever you're cooking, you can snip a few fresh sprigs to flavor soups, roasted vegetables, potatoes, meats, sauces, and countless other dishes, creating a satisfying connection between your garden and your kitchen. When flowering season arrives, the plant becomes even more valuable. Tiny blossoms cover the foliage, attracting bees, butterflies, and many other beneficial pollinators. Although the flowers are delicate rather than dramatic, they fill the garden with gentle movement while supporting a healthier ecosystem. Perhaps thyme's greatest strength is how little it asks in return. It doesn't require complicated feeding schedules, frequent pruning, or constant attention. Season after season, it simply continues spreading, releasing its wonderful fragrance, producing fresh herbs, and quietly making every container more beautiful. Reliable, aromatic, productive, and incredibly easy to grow, thyme proves that some of the most rewarding plants in the garden are also the simplest to care for. Before you start planting, here's one simple tip that can make caring for every container even easier. Choose pots that are slightly larger than you think you'll need. Larger containers hold moisture longer, give roots more room to grow, and reduce how often you'll need to water during hot weather. Combined with these low-maintenance perennials, that one small decision can help you enjoy healthier plants with far less work for many seasons to come.